Free morpheme. The first kind is free morpheme. So why is it called a free morpheme? That is why it is called a free morpheme, because it can stand alone by itself like a single word. For example, the word man is a free morpheme because it can stand alone by itself. Simply all words which can stand alone by itself are called free morphemes, such as a boy, man, girl, house, village, country, etc. As you have got the idea about free morpheme, so you should also know that free morphemes are further divided into two types, and that are lexical morpheme and functional morphemes. So what is the difference between them? Let's move on and discuss it. Lexical morpheme. It refers to those morphemes which carry the content or meaning of the message. What does it mean? Simply it means that in a sentence not all words convey our message, but some words consist of meaning or content, so it is called lexical morphemes. So the question must be arising in your mind that what are those words which come in the category of lexical morphemes? So they are nouns, adjectives and verbs. So simply you can say these are the words that come in the category of lexical morpheme. Functional morpheme. So what is a functional morpheme? It refers to those morphemes which play a functional role between words. So again the question may be arising in your mind that what are those words which are supposed to be called functional morphemes? So they are conjunctions, prepositions, articles and pronouns, because they do not carry the content of the message but play a role as a functional words. So that is why it can be called functional morpheme.